This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to do any cooking or anything like that, but we're going to chat for a little bit, and it'll be a short video. Wine. I don't drink wine. I have a glass maybe once a year, twice a year, tops. My wife, does she drink a lot? Not really, maybe 1 or 2 glasses a month. So why would I buy a 750 milliliter bottle when 3/4 of it is going to go to waste? I mean, wine is relatively inexpensive depending on what you get, but you know, for a decent bottle of wine that you can sit around and drink, it's going to cost you about 15 bucks. So what do? I buy these little guys. These are just under 200 millimeters, about 187 millimeters. And they're great. They're all I need. Usually I need maybe half or maybe a full. And that's fine. I don't mind throwing out half of one of these rather than 3/4 of a regular bottle of wine. I buy bulk. But I buy bulk intelligently. Does it make sense to buy a 50-pound bag of wheat berries when you're only going to go through maybe 10 pounds of it? No, not at all. Are you better off spending a little bit more money per pound to get something at a size that you're going to use rather than spending more money for something that you're going to throw away? No. In restaurants, chefs got to balance that all the time. Do I buy a flat of strawberries when I know that I'm only going to go through about half of those strawberries and throw the rest out? No. I would save money by buying half the flat and then not throwing out stuff. I may pay more per pound, but I'll be paying less per order. Those are the bottom lines you have to watch out for. So an example of where I buy bulk. Olive oil. I buy it by the gallon. But between me and the rest of the family, we go through it in about a month. So I gotta get the tins. I keep them hidden, cool, dark place. Not to worry about it. And then you've seen this before. It's just a decorative bottle that I put a little pour top on, and that's what I dispense all of my olive oil out of. Does the quality of a knife depend upon the price you pay for it? No. So it depends on what you're looking for. With me, I like specific things. I've tried out many knives, and let's take a look at a few of them. We got this one. You've seen me using this knife before. You've seen me using this all the time. It's a good, solid knife. It's a one-piece construction. I believe this is hollow. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. The problem I have with this, you look at my hand when I'm holding it. These have a tendency, sometimes if I'm going, they have a tendency of banging the cutting board. Now, I've got average size man hands. Imagine some of you bigger guys out there. But then again, some of you ladies, this might be perfect. Then we have this one. This one, excellent construction. Full tang. You notice how the blade goes all the way back into here. It's held on by 3 strong rivets. It's got this little bolster here that helps, actually it helps for gripping the knife. So that's how I grip the knife. Just wrap my fingers around, stuff like that. It's got a great weight, heavy duty construction. It's a great knife. Let's look at this guy. This guy, a lot thinner, very light, just easy to use. So what am I going to use? So let's say I have 100 pounds of onions that I have to julienne for French onion soup. I'm going to use this one because my hand is going to get super tired using this heavier one, and I'll be able to go faster with this one. So back to this guy. Is this a bad knife? No, I really don't care for it. But I've got friends that swear by these knives and love them. So what size knife? You'll notice this is an 8-inch and that's a 10.5 inch. Again, preference. I have a friend, a chef that I used to work with, and she used to use 6-inch knives. Why? Well, she was a petite lady, probably still is petite, and that's just what fit her hand and felt comfortable in her hand and was easier for her to use. So it's all personal preference. Now the problem with this. A lot of these knives, how do you know what knife to get when you use them? One, try them out if you can. Talk to your friends, stuff like that. Find out what kind of knives they have. See if you can borrow one for a week or two, stuff like that. Most chefs I know, they're gonna like look at you like you've got lobsters crawling out your ears and politely say, heck no. Back to the prices. The two that are in my knife kit at work, these two. The one I keep at home, this one. Prices, I've seen this one online for $120. This one online for about 80 bucks. This one is 40 bucks. These two I take to work.